Sweet baby Jesus, hold the wheel, because Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande are about to crash into the party. I cannot believe it. I am so beyond excited, and I hope you can tell how excited I am. Let me try to focus and tell you what's happening. Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande are about to drop a new single together for Lady Gaga's new album Chromatica, which is about to drop in a week. Rain on me. And honestly, girl, it's raining on me. It's raining emotions. It's raining. Honestly, I don't remember that last time that I was like this excited about a single to be dropped, because for example, like Stupid Love, it was leaked like months in advance, its actual release. And then in Joanne, I don't know, like didn't feel this type of excitement, and oh my god, like I am so hyped about it. We're going back to Lady Gaga's dance floor thingy, and without further ado, let's go into the reaction. We only have 5 minutes left until Rain on Me by Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande is finally released. And I'm gonna listen to Stupid Love for the last time ever that I only listen to that song by itself on the entire Chromatica listing. Freak out, freak out, freak out, freak out. Here it comes, here it comes. Ah! It's coming down on me, it's coming down on me. I meant it's coming down on me. Rain on me, rain, rain. Here it comes. Rain on me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ariana. It's coming down on me, teardrops on my face. Oh my god. That little sound on the back of Ariana's voice. I'd rather be dry, but I'm still alive. But I'm still alive. Oh! That's basically the tone. I love it. Let's hook to the score. All that deep voice that Lady Gaga is doing. I'll be your galaxy, bitch. Be my galaxy, please. Rain on me. Rain, rain. On me. Oh. Oh. Wow. Oh, wow, wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. It was so good. I think the part that I enjoyed the most, 3 parts I enjoyed the most, when Lady Gaga was saying rain on me. And then there was like a little, I don't know if there was, it's a melody behind Ariana's voice. It's kind of like, I don't know, violin or something like that. I just really like that. And then when Lady Gaga mentions like, I'll be your galaxy in that same deep voice. Oh, Lord, baby, Jesus. Oh my god, it's so good. I can already see everyone at the clubs dancing to this. It's really interesting to think about the meaning of this song, as she was explaining on her interview with Saint Low that, for example, on some of the lyrics, she's saying, I'd rather be dry, but at least I'm alive. She would rather not be drinking to keep, you know, herself up, but she's still alive, right? So it's really interesting to think about this and Rain on Me. It is such a really good song. Oh my god, I love the oh, I cannot even speak. But I'm just gonna leave it here because I need to go and enjoy it once again more. Hold on. I went into Twitter and Miss Ariana Grande said that Rain on Me music video tomorrow at 10 a.m. PST, 1 p.m. EST. So that for me is 12 p.m. Oh my god. Get ready for tomorrow's video. I'm gonna be reacting to the video. I'm so excited. That's it. Let's continue. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching this video. Click on subscribe and like if you like this video, and if you want to subscribe, I have a lot of other videos and you can watch them. I'll be uploading more because quarantine team, right? So yeah, you can also follow me on my social media. I leave it down below. Yeah, Rain on Me though.